Well, the flower bed that we planted in April, and now it is mid-September, looks pretty good. The purple colocasia looks good. The dusty miller is still looking good. The red impatiens are looking good, and so is the Joseph's coat that's yellow. But there's a section here that is not looking good, and we don't know why, so we're going to dig it up and see what's going on underneath the ground. And it looks to me like it's dry as a bone. Even though the irrigation system covers it, it is not getting here to this section of the bed to make it wet enough to grow. So this is very dry, which means that that's probably why these are wilting, is because it's too dry for them. There's a section of this bed that the irrigation is not wetting enough. So I'll plant this back, and we're just going to have to come in here and water this by hand to add a little bit of extra moisture to this area of the bed.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.